Slowly but surely, Cardano is trying to make a move here. And our first big target is going to be that 45-cent level that we hit earlier this year. And we're looking at some of the articles out there, some of the analysts, and some of the charts out there. And I wanted to kind of give you guys my thoughts on where Cardano could go here, as we did see a nice little 7% jump recently with the price of Cardano. The overall markets actually turned green here this morning, which was great to see. And I've been out and about all day, so these videos coming at you a little bit later than usual. But as always, guys, I'm here for you, working as much as I can. Even when I'm trying to enjoy the weekend, I'm here locked into the crypto news for all of you, right? And would not be here without you guys. So I greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. All I ask, you guys know, smash the like button. Let's run this thing up so more people get in and get the news here on Cardano. So here's what's going on. Cardano, of course, still comfortably in the top 10. And we've got a very interesting event happening. I talked about this in my recent video. A golden cross could be forming with the price of Cardano right now. When does this happen? This is when the daily moving average, the 50-day moving average, rises above the 200-day moving average. So it's a smaller time frame rising above a larger time frame, in this case the 50 and crossing over the 200. Usually these are the metrics and how they use it. It could indicate the exhaustion of downward market momentum, in particular here with Cardano. Now, we've been stuck at this level for a pretty long time, but keep in mind we were stuck at 25 cents for a really long time. We're sitting at 38, 39 cents right now. That 40-cent marker is kind of a psychological barrier. 45 cents is a technical barrier that we're going to have to leapfrog and hurdle. But we're starting to see some good things on the charts, because the death cross, which you guys have heard me talk about the death cross before, this is when that short-term moving average, the daily 50, crosses below the long-term, usually the 200-day. The death cross, despite the name of it, it's not a market milestone to be afraid of. It's actually bullish. Most death crosses that we've seen in history, they tend to actually give us insight that a big rebound is about to happen. So we saw that bulls are driving the price of Cardano slowly but surely off of that 25-cent number, and we're getting closer and closer to that 40-cent marker. But if we breach that 45-cent resistance level, that's when it really gets interesting here with Cardano, at least in the short term. You guys know how bullish I am on Cardano long term, but if we're just looking at it here in an insulated view, whether you're looking to trade Cardano, or you're looking for an entry point, or just want to understand how these markets work because it gives you better knowledge. If we break 45 cents, we've got a runway. We've got a path forward all the way to about 75 cents. So we're going to be watching this in the coming days, because if we get a market push again and Cardano sees 45 cents and we get above it and sustain it, then things can get really interesting here pretty quickly with Cardano, because at that point we would possibly be able to fill a big gap there. And how nice would it be to see a 75-cent Cardano before year's end? That is a possibility right now. And again, long term, super bullish on Cardano. Nobody really has a crystal ball. It's so hard to predict what's going to happen in the short term. However, I still think it's important to stay locked into all of this information. If you're looking to trade at any point, because I'm both a long-term investor and a short-term swing trader at various times. Cardano's more long-term for me, right? But because it's my third largest investment, I want to see how Cardano moves. I want to see the resistance points. I want to understand what's happening on chain with whales, etc. So that's the update we've got for you guys here on Cardano. Appreciate you guys so much. And again, couldn't do it without you. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. And I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.